Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. So this is quite simple and easy. So if you find this error, what you need to do is to completely close your YouTube app like this. And then the second thing that you need to check is to make sure your internet connection is working. You can check it by going to other apps or web browser to check if it loads up or not. So as you can see here, mine is loading up, so my internet connection is good. Okay, the third solution is to fully restart your phone. So we need to turn it off and put it back on. And then the fourth solution is to delete your YouTube app and re-downloading it. So you can just hold and press the apps and then go to app info and then do the uninstall here. And then to reinstall your YouTube app, you just go ahead and do it on your Play Store, any app store that you have, and download YouTube again. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.